Alright, is it recording?
It sure is.
Yeah? Numbers are going down?
Yeah. Up.
Up?
We're going up.
Up.
Yeah.
We're going.
Up is good.
Up is better than down.
Yeah. Alright. Christmas! Hello! We allo! Allo, papa! It's Christmas time! That means it's time to, every year, me and my beans build a tree out of stuff in the apartment. And we're here. I'm Steve, and these are my beans. Tatters. Evan.
Hello.
And as you can hear, we got a crackling fire going on. But it's over here. Okay. Cute.
Oh, you gotta go touch the log.
I do.
That was just better.
Hasn't been touched in
It's an annual tradition, apparently.
Oh, why are you touching it?
It's less dusty than it was last time.
I tidied it.
Probably because you took the dust off of it last time.
Go wash my hands.
Like last time was like years of dust.
It's a Christmas miracle. So yeah, did I mention we build a tree out of stuff around the apartment? Because that's what we do. Every year, it's a tradition. You can watch our previous ones. Do it up. Why not? Don't be a fascist.
All of them fascists
Watch
stopping people from building trees. That's what they're known for.
Yep, it's the
Right.
only thing.
We gotta build a tree. Tatters, what's our plan? It's not as
Iconic catchphrase.
informative as I was hoping. Evan, what's our plan?
I'm thinking back on the years. I don't think we've ever done a truly horizontal tree before.
Like just like a flat on the ground tree. I mean, you're right.
We've never done that.
Think I would have to agree. I don't think we've ever done that.
You're not wrong. It's just I'm not sure if you're necessarily correct either.
All right, I'm into it. How shall we implement this idea?
It's your idea. Don't look at me.
I don't follow through with ideas. I just spit them out.
All right. Well, what do we need to start? Do you
We
need?
need an area of floor that's usable.
The fireplace is the traditional location.
Okay, I'm in.
Where is Elihu anyway?
He's right here.
Oh, I just couldn't see him.
He's hiding.
We gotta have the Christmas camel.
That's our Christmas
Why
camel.
is he the Christmas camel? I do not know.
You decided that's what he was.
Little me was a lot better at coming up with things like that than I am
A
now.
youngin.
Where on a tree is the centerpiece?
The center. And this will be a horizontal tree, so it'll be on the floor.
Right. This is a coherent plan we have.
Have we ever not done coherent plans? Best not to dwell on it, I guess.
Okay. Well, that's the camera swap button. Okay.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure what that button was gonna do.
No,
I was
there's-
worried about it.
There's buttons all over.
There's like 4 buttons.
Yeah. All right. So that's the plan then. Our first completely horizontal tree.
Yep.
It's,
I guess we're doing it that way.
it's a plan that needs to be laid down
So I guess
officially.
we need to form a triangle on the floor.
Triangles.
Well, yeah, for
How many
structural
do you think?
integrity. What you got?
That has a triangle on it.
What's that?
The artifact. The one I have.
Oh, the old back house. Lay down the old back house. And use that as the foundation.
Right here.
Do we know how old the
That's
old
not
back house
Christmassy.
is?
Yeah, how old is this?
It's not as old as the Intellivision.
So it's not an artifact.
No.
Because the Intellivision isn't an artifact yet. Someday, Percival Bryan will be an artifact.
All right, and our first expensive crane shot.
Foundation established.
So what now?
So now we need the soil.
Like, is it like a tree that's like fallen over into the soil?
It's
or
horizontal.
Is the soil going to be like sideways
The
as well?
soil would go here.
Right.
Or we could make it a coffin.
What do you mean that we can make? Please elaborate. Well, I don't know.
We barely knew ye.
We all knew him. I don't think anyone. any of us
Open
could say we
casket
truly
camel
knew him.
funeral. We've shifted gears quite severely.
We could do both.
Have we no shame?
What do you mean we could do both?
Horizontal
I don't know what's going on.
tree making.
It's Christmas. Pitches.
I've pitched everything so far.
I don't know.
I'm all pitched out.
I can't see anything here that's particularly branch or soil-like. See, there's a bunch of abstract art lying around over here. We might do something with that. For like a backdrop, maybe.
Okay, I'm in.
Okay, so we're painting a picture of Elihu's life around the casket.
Sure.
So like prop it up like the guitar here, like it's facing inward. into it.
like this?
Yeah.
Or kind of like...
He died with his art.
Gonna move the cadaver here.
Yeah, put him in the top like a pilot.
Yeah. Yeah, there we go. There
Oh,
we
he's leg up.
Yeah, should we flip him over?
That's up to use.
I think it's funnier this way.
One art, please.
Well, no, I was like lay them down so that when you're looking at it from above, there's a background.
Oh.
Yeah, Elihu's death is an art piece.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
You know, I should have seen that coming in retrospect. That was the saddest surprise we've ever had doing one of these. You know, lay them out like on either side. Just a bit of a backdrop now.
Yeah. For our abstract art.
Yep.
And that's what this
These trees are basically abstract art.
Okay, what's
Are we
next?
gonna incorporate the centerpiece somehow?
Okay.
Would the centerpiece fit in this little like?
Bob.
Bulba?
That is whoever the artist is of that piece. Trophy.
I don't know, I think it looks alright there. Should we put it someplace else? Yeah, our tree definitely needs some semblance of branches.
We need branches.
Do we have more than one of these?
Somewhere, but I don't know where.
Bothersome.
We have a hamburger phone.
It's not really branch shaped.
No. It's just the first thing I looked at.
It might be like an ornament.
So the casket isn't on the floor. What if we put her on the chair? So it's like propped up.
Like,
And then
chair.
we can use the table along with the centerpiece to be like the seating looking at the casket.
well, how
We
does
can
the
put-
chair factor into this plan?
Just to hold the casket up so it's not on the ground.
The old back house stands up.
I thought you wanted it laying down.
Well, lying down, yes, but horizontal is the goal.
Yeah, laying down is the most horizontal it can be.
You mean diagonal?
No? Where does diagonal factor into this?
Well, because like if you have it where it's like part of it is propped up on the chair and
I'm
the
not
other
saying
part's on the ground.
Oh,
Plans.
do you mean it's raised but still horizontal?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You
Uh.
mean perched on the chair but still laying down.
Okay.
What did you think I was trying to say?
I thought you meant propped up partially.
Yeah.
No,
Like on an incline.
I meant just on the chair.
Okay.
In currently executing an idea.
Okay, alright.
Backdrop can be propped on the chair.
It's starting to look a bit more like an actual funeral now.
Like a tree, you mean, actually.
Yeah.
Tree.
Yeah. There you go. Lines up with the fire.
See, we're gonna cremate it.
Oh no. It's a dark Christmas.
Actually, it's still been a dark Christmas.
This is gonna be our worst episode yet.
We've fallen on hard times. Oh, I have the perfect thing then. Yeah, an ornament that I got from my good friend Bill.
Oh. See, it was our destiny. Bill knew what was up.
Oh, it's
Oh,
going
okay, we're
the other way.
rotating it now.
See, this
Okay.
way, we can prop up.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
That's good thinking.
We'll go with that. Sure.
You agree.
Yep. You know, no tape
Perfect,
this
perfect.
time around. It's all gravity.
Don't get ahead of yourself.
Is that the tree?
It speaks for itself.
It does. It's not saying anything good, but it speaks for
It's
itself.
also not done.
What more does it need?
You still want branches? You're holding
we never
one.
got to those leaves on the ground, like they'd fallen off because
Okay.
it's a dying tree.
Right.
Because
Right,
death,
yes,
death is the thing.
Because we're destroying our spirits this Christmas.
The ghost of Christmas tree future.
It's stick-shaped.
That's just as much of a tree.
Yes.
I assume that's meant to be.
Like a branch.
Yeah, that's how leaves work.
They do.
Work like that.
We understand trees in this house.
Right?
Branch.
It's decidedly not the instruction I gave him.
Branch.
Branches.
Branch.
That'll be
No, I-
edited out.
We're gonna use the
Oh.
writing utensils in the mug as like little twigs that fell off the tree. Not just put the mug itself down
Well,
next to
you
the
see,
tree.
this tree has lived a very unique life. It loves packing things together and being concise with its life. So all of the branches fell off at once in one neat container.
Into a container, neatly packaged.
Okay.
Except these ones. Those were like the first ones that fell
Or
off.
you
That
can
was fine.
scatter them if you wish.
I believe that Percival Bryan is the angel of death.
He's still got his wings.
Yep.
Yeah, he's the angel of death.
Yeah.
He's been here before, but he still counts as a decoration.
Fun fact, for a very long time I thought his name was Personable Bryan because I misheard you.
Yeah, Percival's in the casket.
I forgot that his wings are labeled.
Yeah, it says wing.
Do they both
No,
say
wait,
wing
no,
or
one
just
of
the
them.
one?
It's just
Just one.
I think we've got the spirit of Christmas in this.
Do we?
Yeah, it's spirit, because they're dead.
I mean, I guess. Yeah, death and sadness is the overwhelming theme this Christmas.
Right, what if make a portrait of a life?
Oh, you're making like a relief of the lion.
Perfect.
Completely indiscernible.
Tim.
What a likeness.
The Christmas Carol.
And the tree needs a star.
Yep.
Right.
Okay, we're gonna take the ween.
We all knew
He
that.
was a known follower of the great Boognish.
It's Elihu's 40th birthday.
48.
Oh, that's 40.
No, it's done a thing where it's 48.
Oh.
And there's another ornament. It's got Santa.
Nice.
That's you.
I don't want to be next to this.
You don't want to be associated with your creation.
It's what Elihu would have wanted.
Elihu, who is clearly standing up and fine in the casket.
No, we taxidermied him.
Oh god, a funeral where the person's in taxidermy would be terrifying.
Should we do some eulogies?
Yeah.
Because that's what this is. A tree.
Yup. Yeah, there's a tree somewhere in here, I'm sure of it.
Saying it, because
If a tree falls in the apartment, does it make a sound?
Yeah?
we put
I
it
asked
down
you.
pretty gently.
Probably, yes. What are the odds it didn't?
If an Elihu dies in an apartment, does it make a sound?
No, because Elihu's mute.
We never made a drawing. We didn't plan on a piece of Okay, we need to plan.
We didn't plan this.
What do you mean we need to plant the tree's build?
Panic mode. We need to plan.
He's panicking.
He's grabbing something from one of the mugs.
I'm sorry. I'm desecrating a corpse.
Well, apparently our plan was to initiate with a casket.
Horizontal.
Yep.
Horizontal.
Horizontal. And then somehow that turned into a tree falling over.
That doesn't work.
It's turned into a.
It's not working.
We're panicking.
Oh no.
Okay, it's working.
Oh.
Horizontal.
See, it only draws vertical lines.
Alright, what do we got here? Okay, see, it's horizontal.
Yep.
It's horizontal from all directions.
Yep, that's it. That's all the information we needed, I guess.
And there you go.
So now we gotta build it.
About that. I think we're about done at this point.
All right.
It's not too much. Wait, it's a crime scene.
What do you mean it's a crime scene?
Crime scene.
Crime at the funeral?
Casket.
Someone killed this camel.
At the funeral?
It was a practice funeral, and then he actually died.
What do you mean a practice funeral? Who does that?
All right. Does anyone want to say a few words?
I'm sorry you died.
Wasn't me.
I would like the jury to note that the defendant has used the Shaggy defense. Dun dun dun. After much deliberation, the jury has come back with their verdict: not guilty.
Damn.
Congratulations, you're free to go.
Thank you.
Now, would you like to say a few words?
No, I'm good.
Would you like to say a few words?
I don't have anything to add to this.
Elihu, taken from us at such a young age, we will miss you. You were the best. Crooked-necked Christmas camel we ever did have.
Who just turned 48.
Who just turned 48. Such a young age, taken from us far too early. In the spirit of Christmas. Amen.
And a Happy New Year.
And Happy New Year to everyone.
Yes, of course. Oh, what nonsense have we brewed today?
Indeed.
Perfect timing for the Merry Christmas from the TV.
He died as he lived. A tree ornament.
I guess.
So there you have it. That's a perfect horizontal tree.
Nothing weird going on at all.
Nothing strange at all. And you can even round it out to a side thingy. There's this nice centerpiece and a good picture of the deceased. What are we doing with our lives?
Well, that happened.
So there you have it. Apparently we were dreaming of a dark Christmas, and that's what you got. So, we love you. Any final words?
No.
How about now?
You had a lot of time to think about this.
No?
A very sad thing has happened today. But just know, it was not me.
Let's never forget. Everyone, Merry Christmas.
This might be our worst tree yet. That includes the one that fell over.